Hello students. See, I think you know the meaning of conversation. Conversation means what? Conversation means two or three members or more than two members talking each other or discussing each other is called conversation. So for this semester means for the third semester you have conversation. So it is very easy. Conversation is very easy because in this topic the question will be yours and the answer is also yours. So totally it depends on you only. You can write on your own whatever the topic they give, means the question they will give, means the situation given. For that situation you have to make your own question. For that question you have to make your own answer. Okay. Now coming to the first lesson, the man who saved Pumple's drop. In this lesson we are going to discuss the conversation on the topic, an argument between two or three people about the right way to approach life. So what is the topic here? An argument between two or three people about the right way to approach life. Okay. Here argument means what? Arguing, reasoning or discussing. So mainly conversation is orally, means argument is also orally, but that orally when comes to the exam point of view, that oral questions we have to write it on the paper. Okay. So coming to the topic, argument is the process of arguing, reasoning or discussing especially orally. Okay. And here the type of arguments depends on whether the goal is to persuade, negotiate, acquire information, deliberate, inquire and express emotion and grievances, or all combining of these. Here deliberate means what? ఉద్దేశపూర్వకంగా. Inquire means what? విచారించడము, means questioning. What do you mean by grievance? Means manovedana. Okay. So when someone refuses to see your point of view, okay, someone refuses to see your point of view or does not agree at all, so then it becomes difficult to have a conversation. So someone will not listen to us, they will argue with us. At that time we face difficulty to have a conversation. So at that time there are some steps how to control that situation. So someone is not listening to us, so we have to control that situation. How? So see first one, keep calm. So first of all what we have to do? We have to keep calm. Next, second point, consider the subject you are arguing about. So what is the main point? Why they are arguing? We have to consider that one. And next, express only what you actually know. So really what you know, you have to talk that only, and don't discuss what others says. So don't listen the others words, just say what you actually know. And you have to consider your relationship with the person. So we have to keep in mind the relationship, what the relationship we have with the person, we have to keep it in mind. Use productive language. Next, we have to listen well. For suppose the other person is saying his problem means, so at that time first we have to listen attentively. Next point is validate the other person's opinions. Validate means what? We have to give importance to the other person's opinions also. Next, Last point is recognize when the situation is getting out of control. Sometimes the situation will be out of control. So at that time we have to be in a position to control that situation. Okay. So for that we have to observe from starting point, what they are talking, what they are discussing, when they are getting angry, like that we have to observe everything, and we have to maintain, we have to follow all these steps, and we have to control the situation. Okay. Say here they gave a sample argument to the right way to approach life. So you read it, and they gave two questions activity, attempt argumentative conversations between two or more people on the following topics. Okay. I said no, they give the topic, just we have to write the conversations. You have to imagine, first one is you and the other one should be your, as your wish. You can write a name. Okay. So the question is yours and the answer is also yours. So the first question is the implementation of a dress code in undergraduate colleges. So 2 or 3 members make on your own and discuss about the dress code, the implementation of dress code in undergraduate colleges. About the topic you have a conversation. And second question is beauty is nothing but physical appearance. Okay. On that topic also you have to write the conversation. Okay. Next, now coming to the second lesson, another topic of conversation is friends sharing the experience of being caught in embarrassing situation. Friends sharing the experience of being caught in embarrassing situation. Here embarrassing means what? Shameful. When you or your friends sometimes will face the embarrassing situation. Sometimes embarrassing means shameful situations. At that time, how you will talk to your friend? So that is very easy. No need to read it particularly also. You can write on your own. Now there they gave an example about Radha and Lata. Read that one. And next they gave an activity, write a conversation on the sharing the experience of being caught in an embarrassing situation with your friend. So you in your life, if you have faced any situation like that which you felt shameful, with how you will share with your friends, you have to write that conversation. Okay. That is the topic from second lesson. Now coming to the third lesson, conversation is learning to open an account in a bank and doing net banking. Okay. Learning to open an account in a bank and doing net banking. I think everyone know how to open an account in a bank and how to do net banking nowadays. Okay. So opening a bank account is simple and a quick process, and it has a standard procedure, particular very standard procedure, and there are different types of banking accounts based on their preferences and conveniences. So present scenario became a cashless transaction, means all are going on net banking, online transactions, like that, and every bank was providing a facility like that to make a cashless transaction. Okay. Now so when we are opening a bank account, first of all we have to fill the application form. So for that application form there will be a documentation process which is multilingual. Mainly it is preferable to use English only. So for that purpose good communication skills are required. So they gave us some guidelines when to keep in mind when we are opening a bank account. Okay. First of all we have to make a detailed inquiry. So when we are getting information from the bank to open an account, we have to note down all the details. Remember to note down all the details. Here the process requires photos, identification, address proof, the documents to be submitted, In that, nominal charges also should be paid, and if you miss any of documents or information, it will may lead to the resubmission of your application, which is the waste of your time. Okay, and here you should have a fluent English vocabulary to get through the application process without any hurdles, means problems. And here the main point is to you have to write the correct information in your bank account application, because if the bank finds out that you have gave false documents, they can take legal action later. So to avoid potentially embarrassing situations, we have to give accurate information and true documents. Okay, now politeness. So always remember to be polite throughout your conversation while you are talking to a person in the bank. Okay, here the account opening process can be lengthy. So here generally there will be so many members in the bank, so it takes line, you have to keep in line, and maybe you get frustrated. So at that time also you should not lose your patience in such situations, and should be very polite, and you should be very in a respectful way. You have to talk to them in a respectful way to the bank manager. Okay, now coming to the next point. So in this way you should be maintain a polite behavior throughout your process of opening bank account. Okay, now here see they gave an example also about a bank manager and other customer conversation. So you go through it. Now we have completed about 3 lessons conversation topics. Okay.